Assalamualaikum class, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our next unit number 1, the human body. Class, as we know that human beings are living things. Our body is made up of lots of things. It has bones, muscles, organs and many other body parts. It has a complex structure. The word complex means pechida. Class, human body varies in size and shape. Now the word varies mean badalna. All humans have different structure. People can be short or tall, weak or strong. In short, all the humans have different outlook. The word outlook means appearance. But all human beings have similar body parts. Let's have a look on the main body parts of human body. Class, human body is made up of bones, muscles and joints, organs of the body and sense organs. Now we will discuss them one by one. Bones. The bones of human body make up your skeleton. Skeleton means dhancha. So students, there are 206 bones in human body, but a newborn baby has 300 bones. When the baby grows, its bones fused with other bones. The word fused means mil jana, and the number of bones reduced to the normal, that is 206. A skeleton helps us to stand upright and gives shape to the body. Students, without bones, we cannot even sit, stand, move, or do anything. So, the skeleton made up of bones is a very important part of our body. Let's examine the skeleton. Look at this picture. At number 1, we have a skull. Skull is our head bone. It contains brain. So, skull protects our brain. At number 2, we have a jawbone. It is a bone inside our mouth and it contains teeth, which we use to chew our food. Then it comes ribs on number 3. Class, these ribs look like a cage. They protect our heart and lungs. At number 4, we have a upper arm bone. It is our shoulder bone. Then the lower arm bone and finger bones. Class, these all bones make up our arm and hand. They help us to move our arm and hand accordingly. Class, our hand is a body part where we have maximum number of bones in any single part. And these bones are 27 in numbers. We have small tiny bones here. We use our hand to hold or grip things. Class, at number 7, we have a spine. The spine is the most important bone of our body. It helps us to maintain our structural balance. It gives support to our skeleton and helps us to stand upright. At number 9, we have a hip bone. That is a broad bone. And in our leg, the first bone is thigh bone at number 9. At number 10, we have a kneecap. This kneecap helps us to move our legs so we can walk or run. Lastly, it comes our foot bones. These bones are called toe bones too. So class, these all bones make up the skeleton. This skeleton protects our organs inside the body and also gives us a framework to move. Move on to the next topic, that is muscles and joints. Class, bones do not work alone. Alone means akele. They move with the help of muscles and joints. And a human body has 650 muscles. Now look at the picture. The bones are covered with muscles. Each bone is covered with a joint. Each bone is connected with a joint with other bones. Students, the place where two bones meet is called a joint. यानी जहाँ दो bones आपस में मिलती हैं उसे joint कहते हैं. These joints help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend. The word bend means झुकना और lift things up, यानी चीज़ें उठाने में help करते हैं. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is organs. Organs of the body. Class, different parts of the body do different jobs. Each job is done by a special body part or organ. Human body has some inside organs and that cannot be seen. Each organ has different job to do. Let's look at the picture. We have a brain in our skull. We use our brain to think. Our brain also controls our body and different activities done by us. Our next organ is heart. Heart is used to pump blood to all parts of our body. The next organ is lungs. We have pair of lungs in our chest. We use them to breathe air in and out of our body. Our next and very important organ is stomach. It helps us to digest our food. यानी stomach हमारी खुराक हजम करता है. So class, these all are inside organs and they help us to do different jobs. Let's move on to the sense organs, यानी वो organs जिनके ज़रिए हम मुख्तलिफ हिस्सियात को महसूस करते हैं. Class, we have 5 sense organs and we can see these organs in human body. These all organs can easily be seen with our eyes. We use the sense organs to sense the world around us. We use ears to hear the voices. We use eyes to see the things. We use our nose to smell the odors or perfumes. We use tongue to taste the food and we use our skin to feel the things. So class, we have 5 sense organs and these are ear, eye, nose, tongue and skin. And we use these organs to see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the wonderful things in the world. So class, let's wrap up the chapter. In this unit we have discussed about human body, its structure, the organs inside and outside our body. Now read the chapter for at least 5 times and learn all the difficult words. Thank you.